Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to approach external tools related to Roblox. Many users explore various applications designed to modify or enhance their experience, offering features like custom interfaces or automated tasks. Understanding what these tools are and how they operate is your first step towards making informed decisions. This guide will help you navigate the complexities and potential benefits while prioritizing your account safety. External interactions broadly fall into several categories. You might encounter tools offering detailed performance statistics or custom information displays. Others might promise to automate repetitive gameplay actions, saving you time and effort. There are also applications that can significantly change your game's visual appearance or sound effects. For creators, external development environments provide powerful ways to build and manage experiences outside of the main platform. Navigating the world of external tools comes with serious risks you must understand. Many unofficial applications contain malicious software like viruses or keyloggers designed to steal your personal information. Your Roblox account could be compromised, potentially losing all your progress and assets. Furthermore, engaging with unauthorized tools often violates Roblox's terms of service, which can lead to severe consequences, including permanent account bans. Always prioritize your security. To protect yourself, always follow key safety practices. Only download external software from reputable, verified sources, checking community reviews and official statements. Run a reliable, updated antivirus program before and after installation. Secure your Roblox account with a strong, unique password and enable two-step verification for an added layer of protection. Be extremely wary of any application asking for excessive permissions or sensitive personal information.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.